direct in of the last owner who bought this back in May 2019. Fabulous Skoda Fabia Colour Edition TSI. This is the 1 litre 95 brake horsepower, so a very lively little engine. It is gorgeous, candy white with the black magic roof and the mirrors. Just 3,900 miles. Great value for money. Great family car, very, very spacious. Let's take you all around it. You've got rear parking sensors. All the loading area nice and clean, not been in damage in any way. Good size boot. Split folding rear seats. No spare wheel. Got the tyre inflator there. Beautiful on the bodywork. No damage, no chunks, no scrapes anywhere. Got the black wheels from the factory. Again, all those totally unmarked. All the bodywork in great condition. As you can see, there's no damage, there's no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. There you go, black magic metallic, the sun just catching that. All the rear door trims in great condition. Plenty of legroom in there. All the upholstery. Got the black and grey cloth upholstery. All unmarked. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in the vehicle. All the front again, all the trims, great condition, electric windows, electric mirrors, plenty of storage in the door pockets there. All the front seats as you'd expect, as new. Beautiful trim inside. Just 3,904 miles, that's what it's done, 3904, 2019. Leather multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, nice aluminium trim. Stereo functions. Bluetooth phone, media input. Great stereo system. Air conditioning. USB input. 5-speed manual gearbox. Full menu with onboard computer. All nice clear display on the dashboard. Volume control, stereo station change. Cruise control. So there we have it, our fabulous Fabia with just 3,900 miles, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange welcome. Check out our great finance offers on our website and work out your low deposit, your low monthly payments, HP or PCP deal, and apply it directly off the website, quick and easy. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, click and reserve, and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. And we do the videos to make it easier and quick for you to buy this car unseen. Nothing is left to chance, full transparency. It's almost like you walking around the car with us. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, making buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're happy to send you a personalised video of any aspects we may have missed on this video, so please call us on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.